Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll be showing you how to preserve the HSN code even after saving an item in Logic ERP. We will guide you through the simple steps to correctly save and preserve HSN codes for future use. Let's begin. Head to the Setup items, shade size-wise. Here you will find the configuration option for this feature. Click to open the configuration settings, then enable the Preserve HSN code after saving option. Next, proceed by creating an item to observe the functionality of this setting. Here you can observe that HSN has been preserved after saving an item. This is how this feature works in Logic ERP. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.